Welcome to my channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. I want to say welcome to my new subscribers and my current ones as well. You're very welcome. Today's video is about an item I bought for my wife in addition to her Fällkniven F1. And here it is, the Leatherman Wave Plus. Comes with this nylon sheath, nice belt loop, and the locking system here is nice and tight fit, which I like. And this doesn't come out that easy, which is good. And let's see how this looks like. Here it is, the Leatherman Wave Plus. And here we have the serrated blade. This one is for rope. And we have a plain edge on this blade. And we have also a file. Diamonds on this side. And different side on this side. Which is also nice. What do we have more? Oh yeah. We have this. A saw. Nice sharp teeth. And we have also a plier, which is nice to have. And we have also a scissor. And we have, I believe this is a flat screwdriver or something. And we have a small Phillips. And we have a can opener. This one is really nice. I have used it, not on my wife's knife, but on my own. I have also a Leatherman Wave, and I have used this one, and it takes some practice, but when you learn how to use this one, it's easy to open the cans. And you also have a larger Phillips screwdriver. So overall, this is the best multi-tool in my opinion. I love Leatherman. They have great quality. They hold up very well, and the edge holds up very good on this one. I'm happy with mine, and my wife is happy with hers. Actually, she used it, but the price tag, well, it's expensive. I think I paid $1,500 for this one, about $150. But overall, a Leatherman Wave is awesome multi-tool. If you are going to get some multi-tool, this is what I prefer. And as I said, it comes with a nylon sheath. I'm not a big fan of nylon sheath, but this one, I may say, is really good. The reason I don't like nylon sheaths is it has a tendency to get some small holes in it, but this is actually really good, thick quality on these one. So I'm happy with it. And oh yeah, it's stitched up pretty well here, so that's good, really good. I have myself, I prefer leather because it's looks better, hold up's better, but I believe actually this nylon sheath will hold up pretty well actually. So the nylon sheaths usually don't hold up for that long. That's why another reason I don't like them. So, but I might get a leather sheath for her as well, but that's another day, another time. But anyway, guys, that's what I had for today's video. And don't forget to, if you're new here, to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And the most important thing, hit the notification bell so you know when I upload new videos. And we'll see you in the next one. ShadowScoutSwede out. Stay prepared, stay safe, take care, and God bless.